Hello friends, this is Gaurav from TravellinGeek, and today I'm going to talk about one accessory for the iQOO12. Well, we all know that iQOO has provided one transparent case inside the box. This is a TPU case. It's a thin one. It's not very thin one, but it's not a very sturdier also. Out of the box, you have one option for a case. So it's a good thing from the iQOO, but I thought, this is not a sufficient for a phone like this, because the problem is this amazing camera setup on the iQOO12 is protected by one major glass, and this glass is not protected by this specific case because it's hollow, it's completely open. So I thought, let's purchase one case which is not very expensive and also affordable. I bought this case from Amazon. It's called Prime Retail Case for the iQOO12, and this comes in 5 colors. So there is one color available as black, I think, then gray, blue, green, and this purple. It's also called plum. I thought to get this color because I really like this one, and the gray and black, blue are very common colors. So I thought, let's go with this specific color. So this is a TPU case. It is not basically a hard plastic kind of thing. It's a combination of TPU and silicone. On this packaging, they have written it has a drop protection, multi-layer protection. It has precisely cutouts, and it's very durable. It's made in China case. It's available just for the $299. Right now, the price on the Amazon is $299. It may increase, it may go down, depends upon your luck. So as we can see here, inside the case, they have given a sort of a cloth lining here. It's again a purple color. And it's a good move from the brand because basically this glass, this part of the glass gets protected by such a soft cloth. And it's made of solid TPU as well as silicone. The touch is very smooth over here. It gives a grip. Even though this is smooth, it gives a good grip. So let's put on the case. It's very easy to put on this case. As you can see that it fits really well and it looks good. Yeah, it really looks good. It is also protecting this specific glass, as you can see. So, and it has a precise cutouts for all 3 cameras. The flash on the bottom, we can see very precise cutout for the Type-C port, this primary mic, primary speaker. On the top, we have precise cutouts for the secondary speaker, IR blaster, and the secondary mic. And the keys have quite tactile feeling. So overall, this case feels really nice in the hand. It adds some sort of a weight to the phone that's expected because the case is solidly made and gives a good protection even to the screen. You can see here that if you can see very closely, these lips of the case is giving a very good protection to the glass. And I'm pretty sure that this case won't have any kind of issues to the tempered glass if you are using one, because right now a screen protector has been installed and I'm not facing any kind of issue to the screen protector because of this case. It looks good. It feels really solid in the hand, and I must say that I'm quite happy with this purchase of the accessory for this specific phone. So guys, I'll be doing one more video about regear case for the iQOO12. Keep watching this channel. This is Gaurav. I'm signing off. We will soon meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.